What is up? My name is Penny and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know it's been a while since I have posted an actual video of me actually genuinely talking, but like I don't really got any time anymore because I have to like do so much homework and everything. Like it's just absolutely insane and I don't have time to do anything. But it's a 3-day weekend and it's like get a little bit of time. So as you can tell by the title of this video today, we're gonna do a makeup video, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a really simple, I think it's like a little bit of bold, summery, pretty, springy, I don't know. So I'm not gonna talk too much, let's just get right into the video. Yeet! So before I start the video, I'm gonna show you guys what I do before I do my makeup sometimes. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with a clean face, and I already washed my face beforehand, and I'm just using this mask. It's Korean, it's called creme, I think. I'm not really sure, but it's witch hazel and it's really good for your acne and everything. So I'm just gonna use this and I'm gonna put it on my face for 20 to 30 minutes and I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna do my makeup later. So after 20 to 30 minutes, I remove the mask, and basically what I do with the mask is that I don't throw it away right away, but instead I crumble it up like a ball or something, and then I basically rub it on my face to make it soak into my skin more, and then afterwards I use my fingers, and then basically what I do is just rub it around my face to give it an even spread of the liquid from the mask. And basically what I do is just let that liquid dry a bit for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then I go wash my face to clean out any excess liquid from the mask that I wore. So for the base of my makeup, I'm gonna use this primer. It's called BB Skin by Maybelline, and it's basically a pore eraser primer, and I really like this primer because it's really cheap and it's also drugstored, so you can buy it at a drugstore, and it's just really nice. Next product I'm going to use is the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and basically this is my favorite product of all time because I basically use it on a daily basis. It never comes off, and the way I use it is that I use it with an angle brush, and I basically outline my eyebrows first. And if you guys want a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, just let me know down in the comments down below, and then basically I just fill it in after I outline it, and afterwards I'm pretty much good. Then to carve out my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. concealer, and I use this brush. I'm not really sure where I got it from too, but it's from the same brush set as the angle brush was from. But anyways, I basically dab the concealer onto my face, and then I just use the brush to carve out my eyebrows to make it more defined and more precise, and yeah. After having eyebrows on my face, I then use the L'Oreal 24 Hours Inflammable Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 103, and basically I put this on the back of my hand, and I use a stippling brush. I'm not really sure where I got it from, and basically I just apply the makeup on the problem areas of my face. I don't use it on my full face, and this foundation is mid coverage, so if you don't got as much acne or if you don't have that much to cover, this is the perfect foundation for you. It's pretty light and it's nice. I then use concealer to cover the rest of the problem areas I couldn't cover using my foundation previously, and basically I just apply this on the pimples and under my eyes where my dark circles are at. And basically I'm gonna use a beauty blender. I'm not really sure where I got this beauty blender from again. I'm so sorry, I don't know where my products are from, but basically I'm just gonna use this damp beauty blender and I'm gonna blend out my concealer with this. So when filming this video, I realized that I ran out of primer, so instead I used concealer as the base of my eyeshadow, and basically I just apply this on the eyelids of my eyes, lol, and I just rub them in using my fingers. I know you're not supposed to do that, but like, I don't really think anyone cares, and yeah. Then using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna choose this pinkish, reddish tone color, whatever, from the palette, and I'm gonna use this blending brush I got from Wet n Wild, and basically I'm gonna choose this color as this transition color to a darker shade, and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids. Then taking the reddest color on the palette, I'm gonna use that color as the main color for my eyeshadow look, and basically I'm gonna use the same brush from the brush that I just previously showed, and I'm gonna use that brush to put the red eyeshadow all over my eyelids, and basically I'm going to blend it in. Using a brush I got previously from a palette, I'm gonna use this golden shimmery color in this Jaclyn Hill palette, and basically I'm gonna apply this on my eyelid like so, and basically this creates a nice cut crease look kinda in a way. So then I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Superstar felt tip pen eyeliner, and basically I'm gonna apply this eyeliner onto my lid to create a cat eye look. And basically this eyeliner is really great if you're a beginner or if you're just really not that good with eyelining. I then realized that I forgot to put eyeshadow beneath my eye, so then use a brush, I'm not really sure where I got it from again, and I basically dip it back into the red eyeshadow that I was previously using, and I put it underneath my eye so that it creates that look that like looks continuous. Like, I'm not really sure why people do it, but beauty gurus do it, so I'm just gonna do it. LOL, so funny. Now onto my favorite part, which is highlighter. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. highlighter in the shade, I'm not really sure, but it's probably the lightest one, LOL. And basically I'm gonna use this fan brush I got from Sephora, and I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks and on the tip of my nose, and basically I'm just gonna blend it out using the highlighter brush. I'm also applying highlighter on my brow bone to accentuate the brow bone and carve out my eyebrows more. Then using the Ardell Demi Wispies eyelashes, I'm going to use this eyelash glue from Kiss and basically apply it using a tweezer onto my eyelashes, and then I'll adjust it to make sure that it's secure and everything. Final step is to put on lipstick. Oh my god, yes. So anyways, I'm gonna apply this NYX soft lip cream and this red lipstick, and basically I'm using a brush to mix them together on my lips, and it creates a nice reddish pinkish tone look, whatever. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys liked this video. It took me a while to do all my stuff and everything, and if I did look away, probably because I was looking in a mirror, so I'm sorry about that. But I've been off camera for certain stuff as well, but it's only because I was like trying to do my makeup. But yeah, here's the finished product, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, please comment, like, and subscribe down below, and make sure to let me know what you want me to post next. Thank you for watching my video, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and love you. Bye!